In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the bounce rate on Google Analytics 4, a vital metric for understanding user engagement on your website. Navigating through GA4 can be a bit of a maze if you're not familiar with it, but worry not. I'm here to guide you through every step of the process, making it as simple as possible. So, let's dive right in and uncover the bounce rate of your site. First things first, you'll need to access Google Analytics. To do that, begin by heading over to Google. Once there, look for the Sign In button, which you'll easily find on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Google Analytics GA4 property. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Fill it in and then click on Next to proceed. Following your login, you'll notice multiple Google apps available to you, shown through an icon composed of multiple small squares located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to access the various applications Google offers. Within this array of applications, click on Google Analytics. If you can't find it immediately, don't fret. Simply scroll through the options, or you might need to click on More from Google Workspace to reveal it. Once you're in Google Analytics, you have to navigate to the Explore section. If you're not sure how to get there, look for a section or a button named Explore, which can usually be found within the main view of your analytics dashboard. It might be situated differently based on the layout updates, but it should be fairly straightforward to locate. Within Explore, your next task is to choose your exploration. This might sound a bit vague, but what it essentially means is to select the type of report or data analysis you wish to conduct. Google Analytics 4 offers a wide range of templated reports, and you can browse through to find the one that suits your needs. For our purpose of viewing bounce rate, we'll be going through a specific pathway, but remember GA4 allows for a high degree of customization, so feel free to explore other reports as well. Now for the central part of our journey, adding the bounce rate metric. In the exploration you've chosen, look for a plus icon located in the metrics section of your report setup. Clicking on this icon will bring up a list of available metrics you can add to your report. From this list, you're going to find and click on Session. Once you have Session selected, your next action is to locate bounce rate within the same menu or selection panel. The bounce rate metric is crucial as it tells you the percentage of visitors who navigate away from your site after viewing only one page, which can give valuable insights into user engagement and content effectiveness. After adding bounce rate to your report, the final step is to confirm your selection. There should be a confirm button or a similar action prompt signaling the system to apply the metric to your report. Click on it and voila, you've successfully set up your report to display the bounce rate. Analyzing the bounce rate will give you insights into how well your pages perform in capturing the audience's interest. A high bounce rate might indicate that your landing pages are not engaging enough, or perhaps the content isn't meeting your visitors' expectations. On the other hand, a lower bounce rate suggests that visitors find your content useful and are encouraged to explore more of your site. As you dive into the numbers, remember, the context is key. The acceptability of bounce rates can vary significantly across different types of sites, pages, and industries. It's always a good idea to benchmark your bounce rate against industry standards or your past performance to truly understand the effectiveness of your content and user experience strategies. And there we have it, a step-by-step guide to viewing the bounce rate in Google Analytics 4. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in navigating the new and improved GA4 interface. With this knowledge, you're now well equipped to analyze your site's user engagement and make informed decisions to enhance your visitors' experience. Keep exploring GA4 and you'll uncover even more insights to help grow your online presence effectively. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. Let us know in the comments if there's a specific GA4 feature you'd like us to cover next.